Meltdown patches are slowing down games such as Fortnite. Fans of the game Fortnite have been frustrated by a combination of reduced performance and an inability to log into the game at all. The company behind the title, Epic Games, says that patches installed to mitigate against the Meltdown and Spectre bugs are to blame. Since installing patches to address the vulnerabilities, Epic has noticed a very significant spike in processor's usage. The extra strain on back-end cloud services has noticeably slowed down Fortnite for some users, and rendered others unable to play the game at all. As patches rolled out to PC users to protect their system from the Meltdown and Spectre vulnerabilities, companies have been keen to downplay the suggestion that people will notice performance issues. It had originally been suggested that the performance hit for some users could be as high as 30%, but this has been something that Intel and other technology firms have said should not be too widespread.